Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time clicking on my video, I am Sasha. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much again for your continued support, and don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, please click that subscribe button because it helps your girl a lot. And if you like my content, like, support by subscribing and liking this video. So enough rambling. Before this video starts, I just want to mention that this video was recorded on January 2019 and I didn't put it on this channel. Know that, you know, like, this is when I first started off with baking and took it seriously. This is my first time ever creating a cake without looking in a book or watching videos. So I just wanted to share it with you guys and just to see what you guys think about it. And yeah, enjoy.
Whoa, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a vanilla cake. Sorry for not having a good intro, but here we have our butter and sugar in our pan ready. So next we're going to put it on low speed to mix our beat, and we're going to make it beat until it's light and fluffy, and you know, the sugar grains are not really seen a lot in the mixture, if that makes any sense. Okay guys, so before you saw me adding in the butter and my sugar into the bowl and put it on low speed at 1. So what we're trying to achieve here is to let the butter and the sugar well incorporate. I want it light and fluffy, just like this. Next we're gonna add our 2 eggs to the mixture, the sugar and butter mixture. Turn it on low speed. Next, we're going to add our vanilla essence into the butter and sugar mixture. Let that well combine. Okay guys, so to the dry ingredients I had baking powder, baking soda, a bit of nutmeg, my flour of course, and the ingredients will be listed down below, so don't you worry. So what I'm going to do next is now to add my sugar and butter mixture to the wet ingredients.
Love is here, make we give it. Love is here, make we give it. Whoa.
So we're going to add a bit of our milk.
Na 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 na. Life is there. Show us you care. Oh. That's the far.
A bit of my oil. Rest of my milk.
Me be your king, we are working. and put we heart in. No worry about Susie, but our Charlene. Real love connection right to the end. You're gonna be me lover and a wife and a friend. Like Haile Selassie, I Empress Menen. Me are the sun, you are the moon, the star, the children. Love is gonna be here. I know that I can. Love is gonna be here. Yeah. Love you cannot stop. Love you non-stop. Love you to the max. Real empress, real divineness, royal highness. Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Treading together, holding hands, growing up together, making plans. You want to be a teacher, me want to be a singer. Love mama hurt me, coulda never been an actor. Good man had to find you, me give thanks for. Girl, you are my lover and a friend. Love you to the end, no matter with the wicked people there. Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold. Love is in your soul. Anything bless, everything just working. You are gonna be me queen, me be your king. We are work together and put we heart in. No worry about Susie, but our Charlene. Real love connection right to the end. You're gonna be me lover and a wife and a friend. Like Haile Selassie, I Empress Menen. Me are the sun, you are the moon, the star, the children. Love is gonna be here. I know that I can. Love is gonna be here. Love and share. Love is gonna be you forevermore. Love is for sure, for sure. Ras Remnant.
Not perfect, guys, but this is how it looks so far. Okay guys, so this is how it's look. I cut a piece out of it, so this is how I did it. Some chocolate ganache, some icing sugar, sprinkles, and rosettes, and yeah.